What's going on, Dingle's Crypto? So I hope everybody's doing very well. I'm going to start uploading 2 videos a day. One video on just the daily news of crypto, of all the crypto ecosystems and the entire industry as a whole, as well as a DeFi exploration. I'm going to continue this every single day, so stay tuned, subscribe, shoot me a follow on TikTok and Twitter as well. So let's jump right into today's news. Ethereum, bro. Coming out strong. I mean, ETH 2.0 was launched yesterday morning on December 1st. But what does it mean? What does it mean? So it means that Ethereum is going to changing from proof of work to proof of stake consensus. But what does it mean for the price of Ethereum? It means that there's less Ethereum circulating, and it will continue to do that. Obviously, you see a huge spike in validators, as well as the ETH sent to the validating contract. So it's a huge decrease in circulating supply, and it only will continue to decrease because of, ready? Like Coinbase and Binance and all these exchanges are going to start having staking rewards to give to their people that hold Ethereum on their exchanges. So what does that mean for price? It's going to be mooning here shortly. I mean, it's just simple as that. I mean, people will not be selling their ETH anymore. Nobody will be selling depending on the price. The price will find some balance point between the opportunity cost to stake and opportunity cost to sell their Ethereum. So we'll find a balance point, but it definitely will be above $600. I mean, it might be 12, 15, 2,000, maybe 800 in the short term. But I mean, use cases for Ethereum and utility of Ethereum is just growing exponentially. Let's just look at price real quick. So right now, the Ethereum contract has approximately 900,000 ETH. So approximately a million. Approximately a million ETH is in the staking contract, and there's only 113 million ETH in circulation. So that's like a little, like 0.8% of the total supply. But once exchanges start their staking rewards for ETH 2.0, expect that number to go up to probably 5-10%. And then you look at like DeFi Pulse and see how much ETH is locked up in DeFi. I mean, it gets pretty crazy. I mean, it's exciting stuff because ETH is one of my number one holds, and I've been holding it for a long time. So let's just more ETH. I mean, just look at the DApps statistics. I mean, it's just DApps are on the rise. It's going to continue to rise. We're at 3,000 total DApps. And you can see them how they compare to other chains and I mean, as you can see, some more status. This is DeFi State of DApps, which is a very good resource. And here we go with the next big news. Visa partners with USDC to allow merchants, there's 60 million merchants to use and utilize USDC. So this is absolutely huge. This is just the FOMO of adoptions. And I mean, it's a stable coin, obviously. And businesses are going to start accepting it because they might want to use USDC and then maybe hedge some of their risk of holding USDC because of inflation in Bitcoin or Ethereum, or utilize a interest earning account because you can earn a lot more interest on USDC than traditional bank account or savings account. So you'll see adoption. I might adopt it for I own an ice cream stand, so maybe I'll adopt it too and just hold it in an interest bearing account. I mean, 8% on 100,000 revenue. It's 8,000 or 8,000 a year. I mean, you might as well hold it in an interest-bearing account. But let's talk about who's next. Okay, Visa, the biggest credit card company or payment company is Visa, obviously, but look at their competitors. All of them will adopt USDC or some stable coin or some crypto that allows probably USDC. Right? But as you can see, all their valuations. Keep in mind, USDC is built on Ethereum. 405 billion, 332 billion, like all of these, 91. So Ethereum's valuation is 65 billion just about. And look at all these huge companies starting to use tokens and protocols on Ethereum. I have never been more bullish on Ethereum than I am now. It's crazy. But thank you for watching. I know today was all about Ethereum, but the last couple days have been all about Ethereum. So stay tuned, subscribe. I appreciate every single one of you. Have a good one. Peace.